is the ArcChill cooling blanket, and I got this in the gray color in the size twin. And I live in Hawaii, so we're always looking for blankets or ways to keep cool, especially at night. We usually run the AC, but I'm trying to like minimize that just to save on energy costs. So this blanket is supposed to have cool touch technology, and it should absorb heat, letting you breathe and cooling you off. And there are specific washing instructions. So gentle wash, do not tumble dry, and hang in the shade. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then I'm going to put it in the wash and then let my son try it. He's the one who gets like the hottest and sweatiest like when he sleeps. So it came packaged like this, and it does feel really nice and like smooth. So it says, how should I use it? The blanket is made of cold fabric and will have cooling effect on contact. Please note that you need to use the cold side to touch the skin. Okay, so let's try it out. It feels super smooth and like comfortable. So this side has the cooling effect. This side is just 100% cotton. So you're supposed to use it with the cool side touching your skin. It's lightweight, but not super light because it is two fabrics. So it's not like using a sheet, which I don't like. I like to have a little bit of weight to the blanket. Not like a weighted blanket, but just, you know, a little bit. Yeah, this feels super nice and cool. I'm going to go ahead and wash this according to the washing instructions. And then let my son try it out, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, so this is the blanket spread out. This is a size twin, of course, and I have a Cal King bed. But it goes across like all the way if you just want to throw a blanket. And my son has used this for a whole week and he absolutely loves it. It's just one of those, you have to feel it to believe it. It really is cooling on this side. And then on this side is Egyptian cotton, so it's really soft too. I notice when I wake him up in the morning, sometimes he has it with the cooling side towards him, and then sometimes with the warmer side. I guess it just depends on the AC and the temperature outside, but it is so nice and soft. It has like a good weight, like when you wear it. Perfect for on the couch. And yeah, it's just so comfy. So yeah, highly recommend this blanket, especially if you run on the warmer side or if you know someone who does. It's so nice and soft, and there's so many different colors. Actually, there's a blue, there's like a tie-dye color, and I think a pink one. Or my other son wants the blue tie-dye. But yeah, totally recommend. Love this blanket.